Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do something completely different. That was dumb. That was dumb. Every tool's a hammer, unless it's a screwdriver, then it's a chisel.
We need a torch. Hate that nut.
We're not doing that. Because it ain't built till it's overbuilt. Don't force it. Get a bigger hammer. Every day's a school day. You probably wouldn't believe it if I told you. Some people think I'm cheap. I think it's thrifty. This glove blew the thumb out. I think I can sew it up. Then we'll only have 2 holes left. And that'll be fine. If only I knew anything about sewing leather. Seems like maybe I should get rid of the old stitches. And then maybe I can just use the same holes. Should I have washed them first so I don't get crud all over my wife's sofa? Yes. Yes, I should have. That ship has sailed. Let's not dwell in the past. All right. Now if I can just use the same holes. Oh yeah. Whoop. Piece of cake. Don't know if this is how you do it or not. Oh. See, I like quadrupleized the string, and maybe that wasn't the right thing to do. It's another instance where knowing what you're doing would be handy. But I don't think it's totally necessary. Yeah, it's almost like I have no idea what I'm doing. I think my very first stitch was just completely wrong. I don't know if that'll go back through there. Oh yeah. All right, now what's gone wrong here? That knot is the problem. Okay. I think I understand the magnitude of my problem. That knot needs to be tangled up in that mess. I don't know if that's the right word. All right, it's a do-over. We get the knot all the way out here, see? There. Okay. Now, piece of cake. Now, wouldn't you know, I didn't start out with enough string. Okay, how do you do this? Just gotta knot this up real good.
Hey, could you carry something heavy up? What are you doing?
I think that experts call it saddlery.
Huh.
I'm fixing my glove. I want to buy new gloves
Right.
just because they got some holes in them.
Right, yeah. Good job.
Look at the money I'm saving. It's like $8. I'll carry something heavy
Maybe after you get your gloves fixed.
when I have hand protection. You're welcome. If I can just turn it right side right. I think I fixed my glove, honey. Oh, I think so. Either that or I've sewed it into a ball of leather with no real thumb hole. That's possible. Could start a new trend. The thumbless glove. Look at that. That looks great. Now it's only got 3 holes, and one of them's the one where you put your hand in, so that's supposed to be there.